Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a crazy random episode from Salvage Nation. I am in the middle of nowhere. Have a look. In the middle of nowhere, and I'm going down to check out a 2018 VW T-Roc that's got a little bit of a checkered past. It was a brand new car imported from London to Barbados. It got here, it's been kind of like used at a guest house, and they've lost the key and they can't get it to start. I've just got here. We're going to be checking out the car, but the car's been sat for 2 years. 2018 model, sat for 2 years. No one can fix it on the entire island, and I'm told that if I can fix it, I can have it. So let's get into it. So guys, like I said, I'm in the middle of nowhere. You've seen the T-Roc right here. This car has been parked right in this spot for 2 whole years. So I'm just gonna do a quick walk around. It's just, you can see the paintwork is not too bad. It's just really mucky from the rain and just being in the dust, etc, etc. But it is a 2018 T-Roc for sure. Have a look here. So when they lost the key, I think one of the guests took away the key. They had to break, oh god, they had to break this to open the door, but then the door still doesn't open. So that's something I need to fix. I should be able to open it from inside, I was told. Oh yeah, there we go. So open the door, as you can see, everything is missing there. Someone's definitely had a good whack at it. I've been given 3 different keys. I was told one of them works, or one of them should be working. I was told the other one wouldn't work though. But I'm gonna give it a bit more of a go over once I get back to the garage. Coming around, I shouldn't have closed that. As you can see, everything around the front of the car is nice and clean. No damage, it's just a bit of dirty, just a bit of grub. Coming around here as well, passenger side, no damage. Go back inside, I've got all my stuff there, oh my god. So I need to open this one to get back up. So guys, I want to try to start the car. I was told that when you try to start the car, it says immobilizer active. Someone tried to program a new key and completely messed it up. So, stick it inside. Meant to press the clutch. Yep. So once you turn it, all these lights come on. Component protection active, and it's just beeping and making a whole bunch of noise. So yeah, so guys, I've got my work cut out with this one. What I want to do though is I want to book a recovery, and I want to get it down to my nan's garage, and then we can see what we can work out from there.
Many unbearable hours later.
Back at my grandma's house, like, trust me, before I even continue, do you know how crazy it is that I could show you guys here? This is where I grew up at. This is where I was running around in the bushes in Barbados. Anyway, we're back, and guess what we've got? The T-Roc has made it over. It was placed on the wrecker. Wrecker came over, recovery truck, whatever you want to call it. They lifted it, dropped it over here, and here it is. Now I'm determined to get this car started. And remember guys, the wager is, if I can get this car to start, it doesn't need to drive, if I can just get it to start, I get to keep this 2018 VW T-Roc. Believe it or not, true story. Anyway, I've got something that I brought in this bag because I'm determined. I went ahead and I paid quite a little money for what's in that bag. Let's unpack it and check it out. So guys, there you have it. You've got a new key. This is a complete ECU kit, by the way. So you've got new key, you've got a body control module, engine ECU, and some other parts of that body control module. So I'm thinking outside the box. Instead of trying to program a new key, they've tried that, no one can do that here. I just thought, you know what? A sure way to make sure I get this starting is to just buy an ECU kit. We bought an ECU kit from eBay, and we got it expedited. Very next day, we got it shipped out over here. So like I said, got a complete kit. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I just need to install this and we should have this car working. If only it's that easy, but we shall see. So the first thing I'm going to do is I went ahead and removed the old engine ECU. I've got it up here and I made a little mark there, old. So that's the old ECU. We're going to get this in and then we're going to move into the car to put all of this stuff in. Alright guys, so I changed the engine ECU, I've just changed the speedo clocks, and I attempted to change this barrel and I ran into a big problem. It's a massive problem actually. Have a look right here. This is the replacement barrel that I bought. If you look at the back right here though, is very, very different. I'll put them next to each other so you can see. As you can see, the connection is very different. So a little bit of time has gone off camera. I've been kind of trying to rack my brain. So this is the replacement barrel. I'm going to try to leave this barrel there. Really and truly, all we need is the chip. So the barrels do the same job. They provide security for the steering column and they provide kind of like the ignition switch. So the barrel does the same job. If you look right here though, this little sensor, this black bit here is a sensor. It plugs in right there, and this reads the chip from the key. So this is the security sensor. It reads the security chip from this key, and this is what gives the immobilizer the go ahead to disengage. This is the barrel that's on there. That's the same switch and that's the same sensor. I went ahead and I unplugged that sensor and it's exactly the same. So it's not concrete, but this is my theory. I should be able to use the blades from the old key for this barrel, and then I should be able to use the body with the chip for the new ECU set. Fingers crossed. If it makes sense, it will start. If it doesn't make sense and it doesn't work, then it won't start. I've made a hybrid key. This is the blade that was there before. That's working in the existing barrel, and this is the chipset and the electronics from the kit that I bought. So this is my hybrid key. This should be able to start the car once I complete all the other modules, because this security chip is the one that's linked up with the kit that I bought. I know I keep repeating myself, but I want it to make sense. But anyway, hybrid key complete, and it's fully functioning, fully working. So now with the hybrid key, yep, it's turning that ignition. Now I'm getting ignition, but it's still not starting. Come on guys, man, I'm determined to start this car because they said I can't do it. They said no one on the entire island of Barbados was able to do it. I'm gonna do it, believe me, I'm determined. I never give up, man. So just to recap, hybrid key is made and in hand. Engine ECU has been swapped. The speedos have been swapped. Now I need to target the body control modules, and then we should be able to test it. So body control modules should be under there. Let's trip it down.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much.
Okay, guys. Look, cut my finger. Left me all battered and bruised. And I had to use my brain. But if everything works and my theory is all correct, this car should start. It should start. So, hold on. Now I've got no ignition. Okay. Sorry, one sec. When you're dealing with electronics, I always remove this. Okay. Getting a bit excited. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Clutch all the way in. Come on. Clutch in. Hey! Come on. Oi. Come on. Sweet. Guys, do you know how gassed I am? This car has been sat for 1 year. No one in the country was able to get it to start. I came, I spent a whole day on it. It's battered up my fingers. It's made me use my brain like I never used my brain before. But the car's starting. And this is my car. I'm gonna hold him to it. He says, listen, this car's been sat for too long. Try your luck. If you get it to start, you can have it, mate. Because he's already paid out. He already got a massive payout for the car. So, my car. But anyway, let's let it warm up. I want to put it on the diagnostic and I want to see what all these lights are about. But the car's bloody started, man. Come on. Alright, you guys, so I've done a lot of clearing and just trying to get through all of these codes. Now, I've done a quick check, and I know from past builds, the VW and Audi cars, they save the all the coding for the ABS module is actually linked to the speedo clocks. So the fact that we had to change the speedo clocks is coming up saying that the ABS is not coded, and that's why everything to do with the ABS is off, and that's a big problem. However, it's not as big of a problem as the car not running and the car is starting, and that's something that I can sort out. Another thing that I've realized as well, because we changed the body control module, have a look. When you press lock, there we go, the car is locking and unlocking with this key now. So my hybrid key is working and it's fully functional. So lock, power folding mirrors are working, unlock, everything is working. And there we go, the mirrors are unlocked. I need to figure out, I'm gonna phone Audi over in the UK, gave them the VIN number on Monday, it's Sunday today. I need to get the long coding, and then this should be able to do long coding on this launch diagnostic tool as well. And I'll code up that ABS module, but this thing is, what's going on? Wagwan! Looks like I got a dead battery. Ah, that's better. Had me scared for a minute. I don't know what that was. I think it's because the battery, I didn't screw down the battery all the way. But anyway, I've got a lot of errors to do with the ABS. But, come on man, the car wasn't running for a whole year and now it is. So, I'm gonna put the drone up and take the car for a little spin. Which way? Which way? Come on, let's try this way. See, now it's still in some sort of limp mode. Look, my foot is flat. It's not going past 3,000 reps. Second gear, same thing. I can feel the turbo kicking in, but it's just not picking up. I'm sure that's something we can code out and sort out, but it's driving. That's the main thing. The car is starting, it's running, it's driving. So guys, when I started this quest on this T-Roc, I didn't know what was gonna happen, but we kept it moving. A little bit of hard work, hard graft, a lot of talent, a lot of know-how. I got myself a new holiday build. If you want to see how I get on with this, I don't know, I might drop another video or not. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more. I still got a lot of stuff that I need to do to it. I don't know what I'm going to do to it. Who knows what else we'll get into. The only way to find out is by subbing to the channel, making sure your bells are on. And guys, I'm going to head out because I feel like I deserve a little bit of a break. So I'm going to go home, go to the beach. I've got 4 days left. So like I always say, keep it moving and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. We out.